Okay, Esther, this is a big giant no. You got some loose brick there, and that's the post of the beam that's supposed to be holding up your house. And that explains...
It's not even touching the floor.
It's not even touching the floor. And that explains why the floors are wonky upstairs. So, I know your search... and you're excited, but this one is a big, giant no. Did you say the electrical panel was updated?
Yeah, brand new.
Oh, really? Brand new? Oh my goodness. There it is.
Oh yeah, this is actually bowed in.
Yeah, it's rolling. Let's see.
It is bowed